Urukiko rutebekanisiibwa b'ekitongole kya Atomic Energy Council aha Hotel Triangle muri Mbarara rwejumbirwemu abeebembezi ba district okuruga omu Ruburengero rw'Izooba aha ndengo zitari zimwe na zimwe abarimu ba kaago, ab'ebyobuhangwa, abakukoromberombe, ab'emiruka hamwe n'abandi. Oru rubiire rugendereire kwegyesa abantu aha nkoresa y'amashanyarazi aga hamwe n'akabi akagarimu nga Deogracius Noah Ruwarira orukukurra ekitongole ekyo oku arikushoboora.
Problem of inadequate awareness of those statutory and policy documents. For example, the Energy Policy 2002 passed a long time ago, more than 22 years ago. This policy has been in force and it was recently reviewed.
Ogu nagira ngu kucondoza nukoreka ngu abantu bingi nibatunga endwara ya lung cancer okuruga omu mashanyarazi kandi ekyo nikyo bashariremu kutandika kutambura barikwegyesa abantu.
They find situations where they're exposed. So we needed to give them information. So we met them yesterday and we discussed issues, challenges, say that we may work together to address them and inform our people.
Omu rukiiko oru abeebembezi abarwetabiremu basiimire ekitongole kya Atomic Energy Council ahabwa omushomo ogu kandi bashaba ngu kitakoma aha kwihaho bongeremu amaani kibaase kuyamba akabi akakubaasa kuruga omu mashanyarazi aga.
Kikuru munonga kyakigye ky'okutushomesa aha bwaki omu kutimba omu ninga omu kuruga omu by'okutimba harimu ebintu ebishemereire kuba nebimanywa ebitakureebwa n'amaisho ebitakuhurirwa n'amatu konka ebikwijamu ekibakweta radiation obutetemesi ninga obusaso bw'okubaasa kureeta omu bintu ebikwasikinye n'okutimba ebitimba.
Habeho okuronda solution, habeho buryo bwakubaasa kuteebwa okureeba ngu bakyendeze obuzibu bwakubaasa kukwija aha magara g'abantu n'ebyobuhangwa ahabwo kugira ngu omurimo gugwije aho kuba ntugwenda n'entungu.
Even water coming from a bore and a spring from underground has an element of some of these elements which could cause you cancer.
Ruwarira hati naterera abantu omurango obutamara kukoresa za scan ezibabona ahabw'okuba haine ezikuba zitakyebirwe.
Government of Uganda for equipping national regional hospitals in the country with state-of-the-art CT scans.
Gashakwa na Good Fatima.